Assalamu alaikum everyone, and we are some few moments away to start a new week. And in the next couple of hours we're going to close this week. We start a new week, and let's look at how this is looking like. So in 6 hours 22 minutes we're going to open up Monday, and Monday is coming up very soon. So here we go, and let's turn on the weekly time frame and check out the weekly time frame. So here it is. Okay, the weekly is here to save the day, and the candle that you're bound to print in here on the weekly is a nice good doji to go back and reverse to the upside. Okay, so we have we do have support, and this support is right over here, if you notice, just like that. And take the wicks, consider the wicks. It is actually holding up pretty nicely, and it does look like anytime you had support and you had a reversal candle, the next candles were green. You had support here, you had green candles, you had another doji right there, green candle, another reversal candle here, and then a green move to the upside. So basically we can actually expect a nice good coming week in the future. Now I've actually go on and I've checked all different coins in here. Even if you look at Trump is doing pretty good. By the way, I'm going to do an update on this one as well. And if you look at Solana is coming down a little bit, but still we had a previous doji right over there, so that is still not invalidated. I'm checking out ONT as well. ONT, still another doji about to get printed out. Bitcoin, even Bitcoin is having a doji right there. We do have Jasmine, probably even Jasmine is going to have one more doji right over here. So altcoin, Bitcoin, every meme coin out there, they're looking to print out this one doji right there in the middle. And I do hope that once the doji gets printed out, we get to see a nice good relief back to the upside. Now, the reason why this coin has not been pumping for quite some time, and some of you might think, why is nothing happening? And in my opinion, number one, I think we are in accumulation phase. Sometimes it happens that when you pump to the upside and you move to the upside, you make something known as distribution, right? So you make distribution for a long time, and after distribution is done, you go to the downside. Now the reason why distribution happen is because there are two main reasons. Number one is for people to sell their holding. Whoever bought down here, they're going to sell up there. And the second reason is that the more time you continue to the side, the more the newbies, actually the retail trader, people like the average Joe, is going to say that, oh no, I missed this rally and I missed this movement to the upside. Let me just get into it. Okay, it's an opportunity to buy again because I missed the first pump. I don't want to miss the second pump, right? And then what happens is that it goes to the downside, and a lot of people are going to have doubt in here, something known as FUD. So FUD gets created, sideways movement continues. And another reason for sideways movement is that people, weekends, are going to sell for cheap. Whoever bought in here is going to say, okay, I cannot take the pain anymore, let me just sell it off, and he runs away. Another thing is that the market maker wants to create his position. So what does that mean? That really means that the more sideways you are, the more people are going to open up short position, that because they're too bearish and they think it's going to go down. So as long as he's going to build a position, the more he's going to earn by the time he pumps it up. So if you get 10 people to open up short position in one day, imagine spending 2 weeks. That means 14 multiplied 10. You have 140 people who are going to open up short position. So it doesn't make sense to just have 10 people in one day and pump the market and make 10 people lose and 10 people win, right? It is much better for the market maker to make more people lose, because he's going to get more and more money. And that's the reason why he's going to create this long-term sideways consolidation. And that's the nature of how the market really is. So that's all for the video on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.